Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe and share. So guys, this channel is a new channel, and I created this channel to document my journey as a young forex trader trying to attain probability because profitability, because I'm still in my I'm still learning, I'm still in the learning process. So I'm trying to attain profitability in the foreign exchange market by God grace. So and also to put and I also created this channel to put out information that I think might help young traders like me that are trying to attain profitability like me also in the market grow, so we can grow together. So to put out information that I think might help so we can grow together, because I'm still in the learning process and I'm still acquiring knowledge and I'm still trying to attain profitability. So in today's episode, I just want to talk about an application called TradingView. So I know most of you guys would have heard the application called TradingView. So today I just want to talk about it and how to use it on a mobile phone. So before we get into TradingView, so let me just talk about TradingView. TradingView is an application. An application used by traders, be it crypto traders, forex traders use it, commodity traders use it, indices traders use it to do analysis or to get data or information on what is happening in a particular market or a particular instrument before taking any financial decision on what to do on that instrument, on what to trade. So TradingView give us like data. It give traders data or an information on what is happening in a particular market they want to trade. So without wasting, and TradingView is available. There's the web. TradingView is available on Play Store if you are using an Android, and App Store if you are using an iPhone, and it is also and there is also the web version for those who want to use a use it on laptop or PC. But today I just want to talk about TradingView and how to use it on a mobile phone. So if you go on your Play Store, just search TradingView, you will get it. So let's just get into the video. So for those who don't know the image or the logo for TradingView, sorry, this is the TradingView logo right here. This logo is what we call the TradingView logo. So if you want to get, you just go on Play Store and search TradingView, you get it. So let's just open it up. So this is the app called TradingView. So let it load. So TradingView, once you download the TradingView and you open it up, you are greeted with a watch list. We are greeted with this type of watch list. This is like the application watch list, yes, that you are greeted with. So that is for those who have not created an account or registered with them or signing. This is the kind of watch list you get. But if you want to create an account or sign in with TradingView, all you just need to do is just to click on this menu button right here. This menu button. Once you click on the menu button, you see a lot of option. You see a lot of option for you on the menu button. You see a start free trial. If you want to you can start a free trial. Sign up. You see the sign up is there. You have the subscription, refer friend, news, broker, calendar, rate us, help center, and about. So you have a lot of options there. But if you want to create an account with them, you click on that sign in. For those who just want to create a new account with them, you click the sign up button at this button. You see the sign up button and you see the sign up tab here. You click it if you want to create an account. But if you have created an account and you want to sign in, so you just go straight, you click email, because it depends. If you use a Google to create an account, you sign in with Google. But if you use Facebook, you sign in with Facebook. But since I use email in creating an account, I just click on email. So once I click on email, I input my email, and I input my password. Put my password. So once I input my password, you see that my watch list has changed, because I have created a personal watch list for myself that I follow, and you can see the currencies that I trade and instruments that I trade on my watch list. So let's say for example you want to add a currency pair and you want to add another instrument to your watch list. You just click on this plus button at the top right here, this plus button. You click on the plus button, click on this plus button to add anything you want to add, any currency pair you want to add. So you search what you want to add. Let's say for example I want to add a currency pair called GBP CHF. So this is GBP CHF. These are all the platforms available for GBP CHF. As you can see, GBP CHF or Wanda platform, GBP CHF capital.com platform. So let's say for example I want to add this. You see you have option to add anyone. You can add stocks, but GBP CHF is not under stocks. That is why you see. Let's say for example now we can switch to add any. You see you can add, you can trade stocks, you can analyze stocks using TradingView. Funds for those who trade funds, for features for those who trade features, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economic, option. You see there are a lot of markets here that you can analyze, but since I want to trade since I trade forex, I'm looking for GBP. For example, I want to add GBP. I click on GBP, type GBP. So once it appears, I click on this plus sign, the plus sign by the side of the beside it. So once I click on the plus sign, you see it sends me a message that it has been added to my red list. That means my watch list, that is my red list. So once I click it again, once I click the tick button again, you see that there will be a message that it has been removed. But since we want to add it, I click on add and I come back. You see that it has been added to my watch list. So that's how to add currency pairs to your watch list. So, and let's say for example I want to edit my watch list. I just click on edit, so I can rearrange my watch list and I can remove anyone. This button beside this button that look like an equals to button, this button that look like an equals to button, once I hold it down, I can move any currency pair, I can move any instrument to any position I want it to be. That is that. Once I click on this, the X button at the bottom at this side here, at the left side, once I click on it, I can remove any, I can just decide to remove US30. You see it has been removed, and I click on undo to replace it back. So once I click on X button, it's remove it, and I click on undo to put it back. So that's how to edit your watch list. So if you, this is when you click on this three line at the left side right here, when you click on it, you see that I have my red list and I have my watch list. The watch list is the one that we saw when I have not signed in, and the red list is the one I created by myself. The red list is the one I created by myself. So if you want to sort out your currency arrangement or your instrument arrangement, you can sort it out by symbol, by list price, by change in percentage, or you can use any custom order here, but I just decided to just arrange it by to what I want. So that's that. So you can add list. So if you want to add another list, you can add another list. You can add and create another list. For those who want to create another list again, you want to create another list. So that's how to add list right here. And as you can see, we have the TradingView logo at the top right there. So next thing we'll be doing is to talk about the tab below. So as you can see, this tab is the watch list tab. This tab right here is the watch list tab, and we've talked about it. This tab is the watch list tab, and we've talked about it. So the next tab is the chart tab. So when you click on the chart tab, it takes you to charts. Let's say for example we click on it, you see that a chart appeared. So that's that. So the next one is the third tab is the explore tab. This tab is what we call the explore tab. As you can see, on that explore tab here, you can get stories and information like stories, information, and story information and news that are happening on a particular currency pairs or instruments. As you can see, this is top story on BTC USD. So, and these stories here are not financial advice, so you need to do your research before making any financial decision. These stories are not financial advice. And the next thing we have is the idea tab. This idea tab, you see what other people are predicting on other people are predicting on different currency pairs, different markets and instruments. You see your predictions, and these predictions are not financial advice. You need to do your research before taking any financial advice or any financial decision in the market, because these are just what people are thinking will happen. As you can see, someone is saying sell USD JPY channel breakout, but it's not a financial advice. You need to do your own research before taking any financial information and taking any financial decision. You see, as you can see, you see a lot of people have information there, but they are not financial advice. I repeat again. And the last tab is the menu tab, and I've talked about the menu tab. So let's say, for example, we want to analyze a particular currency pair. You want to analyze a particular currency pair. You click, let's say, for example, want to check GPCHF chart. You just click on GPCHF. Once you click on GPCHF, the next thing you click is for you to get the full chart. You click on this button right here, this button, you click on that button. So when you click on the button, you get a full chart. As you can see, GBPCHF, I have not analyzed GBPCHF before. And for if you want to, I love putting my phone on, I love putting my phone on auto rotate for me to use this trading view. So once I auto rotate it, I get this kind of structure, so for me to use it. So guys, now to explain it now, so this is GBPCHF chart. As you can see, this is GBPCHF chart. As you can see, this is the name of the currency pair. GBPCHF means British pound Swiss franc. As you can see, that's it. That's GBPCHF. That's the full name. As you can see, next to it we have the hour, the time frame we are currently on, which is the 4 hours time frame, and we have the name of the platform, which is the Oanda platform, GBPCHF or British pound Swiss franc on Oanda platform. So the next thing here we have the price, the buy price and the sell price. As you can see, the buy price and the sell price, and in between it we have the spread. We have the spread. As you can see, the number in between the two of them is what we have as the spread. As you can see, the spread. So that's the buy and the sell price on TradingView platform and the spread. So that's it. So that's what we have at the top, and we have the current price at the top right there. So this is the current price at the top right there. This, yes, that's the current price at the top right there. So this is it. Like I said, TradingView is an app used by a trader for analysis. So how do we do analysis on TradingView? Let's say, for example, you just want to trade. You can analyze on TradingView. As you can see at the bottom right here, we have the TradingView, this GBPCHF name at the bottom. We have the time frame, 4 hours time frame, and you can, from there you can change the instrument. You can change it. Let's say we swipe up, you see you have the up. Once I click on it and I'm swiping up, you see that I can change the instruments from there. I can change the instruments from, I can change the instruments, you see, I can change, but let's just leave it on GBPCHF. And once I click on the 4 hour time frame, I can change the time frame by just swiping up, by just moving it. I can change the time frame. Let's say I just want to leave it on the 4 hours time frame. That's the 4 hours time frame. Sorry for this. Sorry. So I can change, or once I click on it, Once I click on it, I can choose any time frame I want. Let's say for example I want to use the 2 hour, the 3 hours time frame. Once I click on, or with the 1 hour time frame, you see I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. Once let's say I want to leave it on the 4 hours, I click on the 4 hours. I've added it to my favorite before. You can add time frame to your favorite. I want to click on GPCHF. If you click on it, you can also from there enter. Let's say for example I want to trade Euro USD. Once I click on GPCHF, I can search Euro USD, but Euro USD is already here. I can just click on Euro USD, and I'm currently on Euro USD, but let's just leave it on GPCHF and GPCHF. So the next tab we have right there is the pen tab. This is this one right here is like the pen tab. So that's where you get tools that are available on the TradingView. So once you click on it, you see that we have a lot of drawing tools. Drawing tools are available for you to do any projection you want on the market. For those who use Fibonacci, let's say for example you want to plot a Fibonacci, you see you have the Fibonacci tools right here. Sorry, you have the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's say for example you want to plot a Fibonacci. You can just click on your tools, look for on that red pen, you plot your Fibonacci. So you just plot Fibonacci. That's how to plot. That's how you. So here you have a lot of tools available for you. Drawing tools available. Drawing tools. If let's say for example you want to use the forecast tools, the forecast and measurement tools for you want to go long, you want to go short, you want to buy, see your long position forecast tool. For example, you want to go long from here. You see that your long position forecast tool is there also. Your long position forecast tool. You want to go short. You have the short position forecast. You have a lot of tools there, so it just depends on what you want to use. This is the short position forecast tool also. Short position forecast tool. Short position forecast tool. For those who use trend line, we also have the trend line tools, as you can see right here. You want to plot your trend line. So just depend. Any tools you want to use is available on that tab. So the next tab here is this one. This tab right here. This tab. So click on the tab. Once you click on it, here you can find indicators, metrics, and strategies. But like I said, you need to do your research before using anything, right? Because this video is not a financial advice, it's not an advice to use anything. So here say you want to add indicators, you want to trade in with indicators and strategies and patterns, you can just click on this tab to add that. The next tab we have is this tab right here. So when you click on this tab, you see you have the save indicator template, open template. So you can open template from here, you can save indicator template. So that's what you have on that. The next tab is this tab right here. So when you click on the plus tab, as you can see, you can compare symbols. Like you can compare symbols. When I mean symbols, you can compare instruments and you can compare symbols. As you can see, XAUSD, you can compare it with this. So when you click on XAUSD, when you click on it, you can compare it. You see, you can compare it, but I don't want to compare anything, so I can just cancel it back. See, that's where you can use the compare tools for it. That's the compare tool. The next one we're talking about is this tool tab. So this button right here helps you when you want to place alerts. Yes, in trading you can place alerts on where you want. Let's say for example you want to take a financial decision from a certain point and it does not get there. You can put an alert. You can create an alert there. You can put an alert. Let's say for example I want to create an alert that when price get to let's say when price get to 1.1080, I can also type it here that when price get to 1.1180, so go I'll just put it. You see that this line is an alert line, so you see that they put it for me that okay, when price get there, there's going to be an alert for me by email. They will send me an alert through email, or just normal pop-up message from TradingView will send me an alert that price has gotten to that level. So that is where you can set alert. So if you don't want to, you just delete the alert. So that has been deleted. The next tab is this tab right here. So when you click on this tab, you can change your chart type. You see currently I'm on a candlestick chart type. I can decide to change it to line. When I click on line, you see now my chart has changed from the normal candlestick to line. So it depends on which chart type you want. You can change it to bars, but me, I love having my chart type in candlestick. So I have my chart type in candlesticks, as you can see right here. So you can just choose anyone and change it. You can just choose anyone and change it, as you can see. You can just choose any one and change it to what you want. So the next tab is the replay tab. This is the replay tab, and this replay tab is available when you pay. It's available for you when you pay, because we have the subscription mode of we have subscription on TradingView. So when you subscribe, you can use this replay tab. What this replay tab help you do is that you can use this replay tab to delete candlesticks and replay it and see how candlesticks played out when you were not there. You can just delete a particular candlestick and replay it. But because I'm on the free version, I will not be able to use this replay tool. So you just like you can use it to replay, like you can see, you can use it to delete candlesticks. Like let's say for example, I want to delete candlesticks from this point to this point and replay it back. That's the usefulness of this replay tab, to replay candlesticks. So since I can use it, it's available on the paid version. So the next tab is this. So when you click on this, as you can see, it's an object tree tab. So it shows the objects I have on my chart. You see I have a support and resistance level with break. According to yes, I have a support and resistance level with break. That's the object I have on my chart. Let's say for example now I plot a trend line. Let's say for example I decide to just plot a trend line. Then just put a trend line and I click on the object tab. You see that now it tells me that yes, I have a trend line on my chart. So it just gives you information of what you have on your charts, and from there you can either delete what you don't want again. Let's say for example I don't want the trend line, I can just delete it from here, and you see that the trend line is not on the chart again. So that's it. That's what this tool is there for. The next tool, as you can see, is this tool right here. So when you click on this tool, when you click on it, from here you can get your analysis up. You can change your layout setup. You can change your layout. You can unname charts. You can trade with your broker, security details, technical analysis, and the rest. But I'm not using this trading. I'm only use TradingView for analysis. I don't use it for brokers or anything. And we have the undo and redo series. This is the undo redo button. So when you want to just reverse back and you want to move, let's say for example you see I'm reversing, you see my trend line that I plotted before has appeared again. Let's say I want to move forward, this is the undo, this is the redo. I just want to redo it back to where I was. So that's that. The next button we have right there. So the next button, which is this one. So when you click on this button, you get full screen. Yes, full screen. That's the full screen button. So when you click on it, you get full screen. If I click on it again, you see I'm back. If I click on it, full screen. That is what that button is used for. And we have this button. I've talked about this button before, but let me just talk about it once again. It is where we call the publish idea. So if let's say for example you have an idea, you want to publish it out for people that are using TradingView to see. Other people that are using TradingView to see, you can publish your idea here. You can publish your idea here. Whether you want to publish idea on a particular instrument or market, you can publish it here. Like I said, this video is not a financial advice, but I'm just trying to teach you how to use the platform. You can publish an idea through this tab here. Then we have this last but not the least. This is the last tab right on this side here, on the bottom. This is the last tab. You see that tab, when you click on it, you have the save chart, you have the share chart image, and the share link to chart. Let's say, for example, you want to save a particular chart. You can just a particular chart image, you can save it. Okay, you want to share it to a friend, you can share it, or you want to share the link, you can share the link to that chart image to a friend also. So that's what that last tab is for. So as you can see, we have, you see, as you can see here on this tab, I just want to explain what's here. As you can see on this tab, if you move it forward, you see you have months, what happened in different months. You see May, June, July, September, November, and you can use it also to widen your chart also. But these are, you see, have months and dates that and the chart. And if you, this button right here shows you news that is happening, that will happen on this particular currency pair. This button, this small button right here, when you click on it, you see you have news headlines for GBP CHF. That is where you can also see news from. You see news headlines, that is news on GBP CHF. So you can get news also on TradingView. And I want to talk about this settings tab here. This settings tab, this small icon, when you click on it, you see you have a lot of information there. Or to fit data to screen, you have log price ratio. You just want to do, you have regular, you have different stuff. Whether I want to change, I want to put this price on a percentage, I just click on percentage. You see it has changed to percentage. So but when I click on it again, I can put it on the regular, which is the price. See, that's what we have there. And also, let's say for example, you want your chart is not clear to you. Once you put your two, just put two of your fingers on your screen and you drag it, you can increase the sizes of candlesticks. You can make your candlesticks wide and you can make it small or tiny. And when you drag, when you click, put your hand on this point, this price type, this is the price tab. All these things that you're seeing here at price tab. So when you drag the price type up, you can increase size of candlestick. When you drag it down, you can reduce the size of candlesticks. So that's that. So when you put your two fingers on your screen, you can increase the size of candlesticks. And when you just hold on your screen, you see that you have a this line, this indicator line that you are seeing. When you hold on your screen, you have this indicator line indicating which day. At the bottom, you see that we have Monday 9, which is telling us that today we are currently on Monday 9th December 2024. This is what happened. This candlestick happened around 6. That is what it's telling us, happened around 6. So this one happened around, you see, that's what the thing is telling us. And once you put this indicator, I mean this cursor or indicator, when you put it on any candlesticks, you have information of the candlesticks. Let's say for example, I put it on this candlestick. You see at the top here, just watch closely. At the top here, this top here, you have the information of that candlesticks there. At the top here, you see the information of that candlesticks. When you put that indicator on the candlesticks, as you can see, it's telling you that this candle happened Monday 9 December 2024, 6 o'clock. The candle is currently still forming, 6 o'clock, and it's telling us that at the top, you see the O means open. It's telling us that open price of the candle was 1.11956. The highest price the candle still got to, when you put the, so let me just use another candle because this one has not closed already. So let's put it here. You see this red candle, it's telling us this red candle was formed on Thursday 5 December 2024, 14 o'clock, which is 2 o'clock in Nigerian time. So and the open price of the candle was 1.12422, and it's telling us, let me put it again. the highest price the candlestick got to was 1.2443. The lowest price the candlestick got to was 1.120098, and the closing price of that candle was 1.12126. That's what it's telling us about that candle. When you put that indicator on the candle, it's telling us about the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, the lowest price that candle ever got to before it closed. And it's telling us what and it's telling us that the losses made on this, the candle was minus 0.00298. That was that was like minus 0.27% was on that candle. That's what it's just giving us information. When you put that indicator, it gives us information of each candlesticks that is on your chart. So that's, and when you, and no, let me just tell you a little about this logo. This logo here, as you can see it, this one at the top is just like the logo for the currency or instrument you are trading. As you can see, this is British pound, Swiss franc. This is the logo at the top. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please, like I said, subscribe, share, and like and comment so we can grow together. Like I said, I'm still in my learning process and I'm still trying to attain profitability. So if you have anything you can just put it down in the comments so we can grow together. I'm still in the learning process, so we can learn from each other. So bye now, bye for now. See you in the next episode.